Be open to what you're hearing inside your body, what you feel whenever you utilize cannabis, or if you utilize meditation or whatever it is. Just be open to that experience and assess it based on what you're feeling in that present moment. I meet a lot of people that worry about the shoulds, the supposed tos, and why isn't this just like it is for another person? And it's not going to be. You're a totally different human, completely different vessels. We just want to take care of you. I love that about this office, is that every step of the way, somebody here is going to be happy to provide information, is going to be excited to support you, to give you more information, to make you feel heard. There's really nothing to be hesitant or, really worried about. Come in, ask questions. There's no pressure here. I'm super thankful for the opportunity to work in such close proximity with people. It's really kind of an honor to have people share these portions of their life that they're maybe struggling with. They're very, intimate, and they let you in and allow you to try and aid, and give them a little dewdrop of peace every now and then.